Right, welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Bill Cook again, and I'm going to share with you a short grounding practice or anchoring practice or centering practice. You can use any one of those terms for yourself. This is a practice that we might do to create that little space of choice point for us so that we can not get swept away by the turmoil that we might be experiencing around us or within us. So I'm going to invite you to initially bring some attention to your body itself. Notice your posture, whether you're sitting or standing. And I usually like to invite people to begin by making some gentle shifts in your posture. So if you're sitting down, just moving the body a little bit, maybe even standing up and sitting back down again. If you're standing, just shifting your weight back and forth, giving all of your attention to the actual movement in the body, the experience of the body. And then settling down and bringing all of your attention to sensing the contact points of the body to the floor, to the earth, to the chair, to itself if your hands are touching the body in some place. If you're in an environment where lowering your eyes or even closing your eyes is possible for you, and safe, then simply let the eyes lower or close. And continue to keep attention in the experience of the body itself, noticing the sensations that are coming and going in the body without judgment, without needing to do anything about them. Noticing the feelings of the body being breathed, the felt sense of the breath flowing in and flowing out. And inviting your attention to simply rest in this experience of the body being breathed, moment by moment, leaving everything else in the background of your awareness. And if the mind wanders off and wants to bring something from the background into the foreground, simply smile, acknowledge the tendency for that to occur. It's quite normal. And gently but kindly bringing attention back into the body, to the body sitting and to the experience of the breath wherever you are in the breathing cycle as you return. I sometimes find it very helpful to let a hand rest in the low part of your belly as you're doing this grounding practice, to simply remind you to feel the breath deep here in the body. Okay, thank you. Now you might notice that this practice is not changing the outer environment, the circumstances or the context, nor is it immediately changing the inner weather, the inner storm that we might be experiencing. But it's creating for you a space where you're not reacting to any of those things. A space where you have the opportunity to choose how you want to show up in the next moment. All right, thank you, good luck. The invitation is to practice this frequently, particularly when you don't need it, so short little grounding practices through the day, just noticing where you're at and taking a moment to come into the body and then carrying on with your tasks. And doing this frequently and making it a habit for yourself means that it'll be a stronger inner resource for you when you really do need it. So best of wishes and good luck.